Another day passes, yet the men at the center of Goa's deadliest club fire remain out of reach. The Luthra brothers, Saurabh and Gaurav Luthra, are still holed up in Phuket even as the outrage grows. And in a move many are calling audacious, they've sought protection from arrest before returning to India. In a fresh action, their passports have been suspended and they cannot use it for travel to any other country. This is a big breakthrough as this will help to get Luthra brothers deported through diplomatic channels. Meanwhile, the duo approached a Delhi court for anticipatory bail, claiming that they are victims of a vindictive witch hunt and also insisting that they bear no responsibility for the blaze that killed 25 people. They even sought 4 weeks of immunity from arrest to safely return to Goa, but the court refused to grant them immediate relief and will continue hearing the case today. The brothers also argued that they flew to Thailand on December 6 for work, but the probe says otherwise. The investigation reveals that they booked their Phuket tickets at 1:17 a.m. on December 7, barely hours up before slipping out of the country on a 5:30 a.m. Indigo flight. Meanwhile, sources say that the Ministry of External Affairs is now examining Goa Police's request to revoke their passports. My colleague Vidya continues to stay with us. Vidya, tell us more about the anticipatory bail plea of the Luthra brothers, in which they are playing a victim card. In fact, they are also claiming that there's a witch hunt going against them.
Well, the legal battle has really just begun. Remember, in such cases, of course, the owners would try to wash their hands off because they would say that they were not at the spot of the incident. But remember, at this juncture, what is really important for the Goa police is to bring them back immediately so that the investigation, which is already underway, that would really, continue. In fact, the participation of Luthra brothers in this entire investigation is very crucial because they are the only ones who can really say whether there was any. Remember, and in the entire incident, there have been certain government officials who have been suspended as well. So, in the various allegations being leveled in this entire case, what really is the truth that can be really known only when the Luthra brothers are brought back here and they participate in the entire investigation. And for that precise reason, while they are trying to buy time, being abroad and filing the anticipatory bail plea here in the court through their lawyers, their argument certainly is that, they were not there, they did not do anything. So obviously they would, as we have seen in many such cases, they would, play the victim card themselves. However, at this juncture, the Goa police has to do their best to make sure that, these anticipatory bail applications do not fetch any relief for the Luthra brothers and they are brought back.
All right, Vidya, thank you so much for getting us all those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on the story that we're closely tracking. Let us also take a look at the action that has been taken so far in the Goa nightclub fire tragedy, which claimed 25 lives. So Luthra brothers' passport has been suspended. That's the latest development and a big breakthrough that the brothers who are hiding in Phuket, their passport has been suspended. Club partner Ajay Gupta has been arrested. Remember, he was presented before the court yesterday, though he claims that he's just a sleeping partner, but the documents state otherwise. And the club manager has also been arrested. So Birch by Romeo Lane club manager has also been arrested. Pre-arrest bail has been denied to the Luthra brothers. Remember, they had filed an anticipatory bail plea in a Delhi court seeking bail, but that has been denied, and they are also playing a victim card in that particular bail plea. And a blue corner notice has also been issued against the Luthra brothers, the owners of Birch by Romeo Lane. Birch club has been demolished, so that particular club has been demolished. FIR has been filed for culpable homicide. Remember, this was done on the very day this incident happened. And a magisterial probe has been ordered by Chief Minister Pramod Sawant. In fact, safety lapses are also being investigated, and this is being done across Goa. And let us also understand that now that the passports of the Luthra brothers has been suspended, what lies next? Is extradition next for the Luthra brothers? So Luthra's passports become invalid for international travel as it has been suspended. The airlines won't issue a boarding pass to the Luthra brothers since their passport has now been suspended. In fact, they will be stopped at immigration checkpoints because of this, and Luthra brothers, in fact, could also face deportation. And they may also face detention or visa issues because of their passport being suspended. And this also makes Luthra's presence untenable in Thailand. So those are the implications of the suspension of the Luthra brothers' passport, which is the latest development in the Goa fire tragedy.